Can I make a Weeknd-inspired Dark RnB beat from scratch in under an hour that is not complete trash? We're about to find out. I've been listening to The Weeknd loads recently, especially his later synthier kind of stuff, so I'm going to give something like that a go. In the last one of these, I completely ran out of time, so hopefully that doesn't happen again, but stay tuned to see me stress out as the minutes count down and make a banging Dark RnB beat from scratch. Fingers crossed. Let's get into it. The complete Weeknd beat in 1 hour or less. Bars. We're at 116 BPM. The clock is beginning now. Let's go. Okay, I'm going to start with chords. I've got this Analog Lab sound loaded. It's kind of like an organ, but I think it sounds quite cool, so I want to work out a little chord progression. It's not bad. It's not bad. I've already wasted too much time. I'm going to try a different sound because it's giving me no inspiration. Okay, we've got something kind of Weeknd-ish there. Let's record that in. Wasted way too much time doing this, but it is fine. Turn the brightness down. Okay, I've used a quarter of my entire time literally just getting a basic chord patch in, which does not give a great indication for the rest of this challenge because I now have barely any time to do anything else, but same MIDI in with a different patch. Okay, I mean, it's weird, but does it kind of work? I kind of think it does. Let's use this MIDI to create another sound. It's giving that kind of synth-driven 80s-ish Weeknd kind of vibe, which I'm here for. I'm here for. Okay, this second part is so weird that it's giving me more of like an intro vibe, so let's just copy this over. Okay, let's get some drums in there, then maybe a bass, some more synth lines. Yes, sir. What we got in the drums? I mean, that's cool. Okay, Lin drum kick. Let's see what we play in here. Okay, I like that kick pan. Smooth. What is next? I'm thinking bass. Bass. Let's get some profit bass going. Come on. Ooh, yeah. Love that bass part. That little walk down at the end is cold. 80 minutes left. Synth flourishes is what I'm thinking. The Weeknd loves, little extra synth layers that do nice little twinkly things. So let's get another Analog Lab in there. Ooh, we don't have too long right now. Let's put the brightness up to see if this melody actually is any good. Ooh, yeah. Yes, that works. What I want to do is render that and then copy it an octave lower, transpose it. Okay, another lead. Change this to being mono, and then... Okay, I'm thinking maybe like a glissando on this. Yeah, the glissando doesn't really work. Let's get a different sound. Okay, without the delay on that, we'll be fine. Ooh, that could be a crazy ending to the loop. Maybe after the first run through and the bass drops out or something? It needs more like some distortion. Cut the reverb. Up 1 octave. Oh yeah, up 1 octave works. Automate the pan. See about this. Ooh, yes, that is cool. It needs like a little bit of reverb, like a plate or something. Ooh, yes. It's proper old school. That sounds like an 80s tune. Yeah. Very cool, Kanye. Very cool. Right, 5 minutes left. Could even go for some semblance of an arrangement here, which might be cool. Let's add one more analog lab layer. Just for speed. What are we getting? Oh, maybe like a brass patch, you know. I do like a brass patch. Maybe something like that, like a little thing in thirds or something. I don't know. Oh, that's nice. Let's give this some needlepoint. That's cool. We've got 2 minutes to do some mixing and then we'll be done. Quick mix, drums, bit of tape, Studer. Yes, come on. Come on. Sidechain the bass to the kick. Oh, this is sounding nice. Alright, let's do like a little intro thing. Maybe have the intro like this. Ooh, that's kind of cold actually. Alright, we're finished. We got 3, 2, 1. Boom, we did it. Let's take one final listen to the beat. See you in the next one. Peace. Definitely see the Weeknd's vocals over this. Come on. Ooh.